and welcome. I'm Sylvia from My Kitchen Creations. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. On today's episode, we are making chicken corn chowder, guys. This recipe is super easy to make, but full of flavor and perfect for the fall season. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. I love using a whole baked chicken for this recipe. And I'll go ahead and leave the link for you guys so you can follow the instructions of how I had baked my chicken. Go ahead and remove the skin. I only like to use the breast, thighs, and drumstick for this recipe. So go ahead and shred your chicken. This is how my chicken is looking after shredding it. I have my drumstick and thighs over here, and this is the chicken breast. Now chop your onion. Chop your bell pepper. Mince your garlic. Now go ahead and peel your potatoes, and we're going to dice them afterwards. In a large pot over medium heat, add your butter. After your butter has melted, go ahead and add your bell pepper and your onion. Saute for 5 minutes until they are softened. After 5 minutes, this is how they are looking. Now go in with your garlic. Give that a mix and cook for another 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, go in with your flour. Go ahead and give that a stir and cook for another minute. So this is where you would want to add your chicken broth, but since I'm not using any chicken broth for this recipe, I'll just be adding chicken bouillon and water instead. And just make sure that the chicken bouillon is well dissolved. After your chicken bouillon has completely dissolved, go in with your W sauce. Season with paprika, oregano, cumin powder, mustard powder, and cayenne pepper. Add your potatoes and simmer for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, this is how it's looking. Now go in with your corn. After adding in your corn, add your half and half. Give that a stir. After adding your half and half, add your chicken. Now allow this to simmer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, this is how it's looking. Go ahead and give it a taste. Mine tastes good, but I would like it to have more of that chicken flavor. So I am going to add another chicken bouillon. After your chicken bouillon is completely dissolved, go in with some black pepper and a little bit of salt. After adding in your additional spice, go ahead and give it another taste to see if it tastes good to your liking. And it tastes great. And this should take us to the end of this recipe. Hello guys, so my chicken corn chowder is ready and it was super easy to make. I went and topped it off with some green onions and some bacon, and I cannot wait to enjoy it. That is so delicious, guys. Thank you so much for cooking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.